We have something really, really important to tell you about. Captain, are you wearing Kevlar?
Now, gentlemen, we're not gonna sit here and pretend it's not a big-ass elephant in the room.
What the fuck is going on?
This is what the fuck is going on. Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Ah, shit! No! That is not happening right now! No!
Hey, yo, he's fucking the captain's daughter! Yo!
Every time you say that shit, that's another foot in your ass.
Schmidt, you literally, yo, this is the best thing ever! Schmidt fucked the captain's daughter! Schmidt fucked the captain's daughter! Schmidt fucked the captain's daughter! Shit! Fuck! You fucked Captain Six's daughter? Captain, what the fuck? You bragged to him to his face! To his actual face, Captain. Do you understand that? This face right here, you bragged to that face? You actually high-fived Schmidt for fucking your daughter. Holy shit! Oh my God, it's really not that funny.
I just want to say that it was bizarre not to share the fact that your daughter went to MC State.
I think it's bizarre that I haven't cut your motherfucking nuts off.
What if Captain gets to punch you in the face one time really, really, really hard?
Nah. I got something way better than that.